Have you ever wished you could lose weight? Or do you even think it's possible to lose weight and feel good after the age of 50? Or has weight actually stopped you from being your best in confidence and in direction? And what would it be worth if you could discover a new you? You know, when we turn 50, we often don't even think about weight until it rears its ugly head with a pooch belly or a pot belly or an expanded waistline. And we really think it's impossible to lose weight after 50. I'm Sharon Chapman, and I'm 63 years old. And I'm here to tell you, it's possible because I've lost weight, I've lost inches, and I've actually reshaped my body. We have a new method called the Lara Method. My friend Tim, Lara, and I have put a program together. It combines strength training that Tim has developed over 4 decades. And when you see Tim, wow, you'll know how he is fighting age. It combines strength training with Pilates and functional movement. You know what? Functional movement is so necessary in today's life because we sit so much, and sitting has become the new smoking. So Pilates teaches you breath, it teaches you synergistic movement, it teaches you alignment and spine health, and we teach you how to connect your core so that your core can be your powerhouse as we're doing his strength training. The Lara Method has created a community online, and it's called the Lara Community. And it's a wonderful community. We offer a written curriculum. We offer a library full of videos to show you the method, to show you the movement. It is a wonderful group of men and women over 50 who are passionate and who are positive about making changes in their lives. And everyone that uses the Lara Method has changed body shapes. They have lost weight and they've lost inches. They've gained mobility and flexibility, and they've gained strength. And you know what I love about the Lara Method? Because it's opened new possibilities for me. We are now getting ready to launch the Lara Community. And we're offering you 7 free days so you can take a look at the Lara Method and see what it's all about. It is $39 per month, and this offer is not going to stand very long. We are hoping, Tim and I, that you will join us on the Lara Community. You know, what you do with your life now is going to determine the next decade. There are so many amazing benefits because the Lara Method in the Lara Community has endless possibilities. Can you imagine what it would be like if you could change you? It's possible. Come and join us. When you think about the cost, $39, that's a little bit more than $1 per day. That is not much of an investment for such an amazing return. Health, weight loss, loss of inches. Come and join the Lara Community.